Hello guys, welcome to Cricket Club. Guys, this is second video which I am going to provide you here. And guys, in this video I will especially show you the main thing, the most important and the most interesting thing, that you will 70 to 80% chances are that you will win. Winning chances are always here, 70 to 80%. Only 20 to 30% are chances of losing your money. It is only because when you wish to win a very huge amount, in that case you will lose your money 20 to 30%. Otherwise maximum chances 70 to 80% are there to win. Okay, so guys, as you know, high risk high income. So let's start the video. Now when you get your user ID, you put your username here like me I have done, then password, and after that sign in. Okay, after signing in you will get such interface. You will get casino games, card games, cricket, tennis and soccer. All matches will be available there to place bet. So right now cricket match is going on. Let's see how I make money. So guys, suppose that right now after means opening this, you will see such interface. Okay, there you will get option to place bet on team. Okay, you will get option to place bet on fancy bet, fancy market. You will get like how many runs will be scored in particular overs, like 10 overs, like 20 overs, like 15 overs, that how many runs will be scored by a particular team, like that. Rest of this you will get other options also, that how many runs will be scored by a player. Okay, when first wicket will fall, when second wicket will fall, like this many fancy market you will see there fancy. Okay, means options will be given there. Okay, regarding fancy market. Now the main thing is here that we have to understand that how we can place bet on teams and how we can make money from trading. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show this. So right now, before some time England was very strong position. Right now England has become little bit weak, that's why rates have increased. Now let's see that right now, as you can see, England and Ireland. Okay, England and Ireland, these two are teams which right now are playing. Rest of these other options I think you already know. Stake limit, maximum profit, this is all things I have discussed in first video, so kindly watch the first video. Now you know that back means win, lay means to lose, means in blue option back you can say, in red option lay you can say. In 4 boxes we have to always choose those 2 boxes in which rates are given in the form of 1 point, like 1.21, 1.20, 1.21 are given here now. So in same way, always in the 1.1 form, those boxes we have to choose. Now suppose that if you want England to win, then you can simply in the front of England you can put there your money, like 5,000 rupees you want to place, you can put here 5,000 and you will get like this, you will see here. Okay, and if you think that Ireland will win, so what you have to do, you have to just lose the England team. So how to lose the England team? In the front of England, red box, put their money, how much you want to place there. Okay, so if you are if you think that England will lose, if you want England lose, it means you want Ireland win now. So both are same things. If you want England lose, means you want Ireland win. So here you put money, you see how much you will get. Okay, like this. So guys, now I show the main fact. Like whenever you have to make money, what you have to do, you have to first see the match. Okay, guess that what can happen. Is there are there chances that there will be some up down in the match, means strong team will become weak or weak team will become strong, like this. Okay, this kind of guess you can understand easily, okay, while watching the match, if you have a little bit knowledge. So right now we see that England is very weak and Ireland is very England is in very strong position and Ireland is weak position. So always put money first on weak team. So right now we put money on weak team, means Ireland. We want Ireland to win first in first condition. So what we will do, see in front of England, red option. Okay, we put here suppose that 1,000 rupees and we place bet like this. This is just a small amount to explain you that how can you win, how can you lose. Okay, so right now you see the rates are 1.23 and on 23 paise you are placing bet. Let the bet be placed. Now bet has been placed. You see that if England wins, you will lose 230 rupees and Ireland wins, you will get 1,000 rupees. Okay, now think that England becomes weak, very weak. In that case, what will happen? In that case, in front of England right now you are getting 21 paise on 100 rupees. See here rates are given in front of England 1.21. Okay, means if you place 100 rupees, you will get only 21 rupees. England, because England is very strong. Suppose that England gets weak, then what will happen? Here you will get, here rates will change and you will get extra money. So rates will change. Suppose that here is now rate becomes like this, right? Like Ireland plays very well. Suppose that, and England, if Ireland plays very well, okay, then England will get become weak team. In that case, rate will go up. Okay, so like 1.80. Suppose that this is 1.80, and now you had placed here 1000 rupees on Ireland. Now it means you were winning 1000 rupees on Ireland. So just what, convert these rupees. What you will do, on first you were wishing to win the Ireland, now you will wish to win the England team. That's why we have put in the box of in the front of England, blue one. So suppose if you put here 600, now what you see, that both means if England wins you will get 250 rupees, Ireland wins you will get 400 rupees. You see now what I am showing you, that remember, you have to remember that, you have to understand that if there is little bit up down or more up down, more money, remember. So first you have to do what, you have to choose the weak team, then as things changes, match condition changes, okay, weak become strong or strong become weak, in same time you have to just convert your money on both teams. Right now as you can see what I am showing you, that if England becomes more weak and rate goes like 1.22 right now are there, it becomes more like 1.30, 1.60, 80 like that. So in that case you will keep winning the amount. Like as you can see now I am just reducing the rate, and suppose that it is just like this. So, okay, if it gets little bit there up down, you will always win the money. So this was only to show you as an example that how can you make money. Right now match is going on, okay, I will not wait for all time match to convert this money. This was just a demo sorry, this was just a demo to show you that how can you make money always in online betting ID. So there are more chances always in 2020 matches, T10 matches to make money. I am telling you here, clients mostly they are winning. You can call them, you can contact them, you can see their video, you can see their payment screenshot of daily winning we upload, okay, on Telegram. So this is what that we wanted to show you, that how can you make money in this video. I think this video will be very helpful for you. Okay, thank you guys.